Well, good morning, everybody. Cortesia, are you ready to get fed? All right.
Yeah.
I take that as a yes. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh.
You want some? No, you told her not to do it. Cortesia.
Cortesia, look at Grandma. You'll eat anything, won't you?
He's like, Grandpa said no.
Poor kid.
No. Grandpa said I can't take nothing out of nobody's mouth. Especially my grandma's. She didn't take it out of your mouth. She just took it from your hand. Say bye, Mommy. Bye, Mommy.
Say we love you. We'll see you when you get off work. Bye-bye.
She's waving.
Are you waving? Wave bye-bye.
Mommy.
Say hi, Mommy.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye, Mommy.